Welcome back, party people in the place to be. We got another Mavic 4 video, but I wanted to let y'all know about a app that's been slept on, and I don't really hear anybody talking about it. You know, DJI doesn't update you and tell you where you can fly and where you can't fly because they took down the geofencing. So for my new flyers, there's this app called AutoPylot, and it's free, and it also sells drone insurance. But that's not what we want to talk about. So let's talk about missions. So let's create a new mission. And so as you can see, we are in an area where you need permission. This is why it has that color over here. You wouldn't have to. Where the color's not, you wouldn't have to. And it's saying 400 feet. And so now, I can hit this little area right here where I am. And as you can see, it's asking, as you can see, it's saying how long, the duration. I'm just going to put an hour. And it has the date on there. And so you can get a LAANC auto approval on this app. And so it's so easy. And you see I'm scrolling down. And so basically, all the information is auto-populated. And I hit continue. And I'm going to say I'm going to go mission altitude. I'm not going to go any higher over 250 feet. Hit continue. You go through all the little the review info checklist. And you hit submit. And mission is authorized. So just like that, I have authorization to fly in this area for an hour. You can't, and this is the free one. You cannot beat this, people. So now, with that being said, the drone is up, people.
Return to home.
And there you go, people. Easy peasy. So did you know about that app? Will you be using that app? Comment down below if you're going to use that nice high quality app, because it's free and it's easy. So I hope you found this valuable. Just want to put y'all on game. It's your boy, the Drone Dreamer, aka your Uncle Rico. To the next episode, people. Peace.